Hello, I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting. And today we're going to dive into metal roofs and metal roof warranties, and what all is covered exactly by a metal roof warranty, and how it might differ from an asphalt shingle roof and a metal roof. So sit back, relax, grab a cold beverage, and let's dive in to a metal roof warranty. So, you're interested in getting a metal roof. You think a metal roof is probably the right track for you and to protect your home. Well, let's face it, the roof on your house is protecting probably your largest investment, which is your home. So, we want to make sure that you're well educated and very knowledgeable in what you're getting exactly when it comes to a metal roof versus maybe an asphalt shingle roof. So, I want to break down some points and some key distinguishing factors of what's actually covered under a metal roof warranty. So in general, in the metal roofing world industry, there is a loose interpretation of a 50-year warranty on metal roofs. So metal roofs have a life expectancy that the metal should last, on average, about 50 years before it's going to be at the end of its life. So with that being said, most of those panels, there's some different options. So you've got galvalume, which is more of the silver colored metal, and it just has a silver coating on it. Okay, those are going to last 50 years. There's also painted panels. So if you have roofing panels that are metal roofing panels that are painted, the painting, depending on the manufacturer, can be anywhere between 30 to 40 years. Some might extend out to 50 years and say they have a 40 to 50 year life expectancy on that paint. Some of those manufacturers are warranty against what's called chalking. What chalking is over time, some of the lower grade metal panels will start to fade, and the sun will beat down on there. Those panels are heating up and contracting, and if you wipe your hand across that metal panel, you'll end up with kind of this white filmy material, which is kind of the deterioration of that paint coating on that metal panel. So that's what chalking is. So some of these roofing manufacturing companies that manufacture these metal panels, they warranty against chalking for 30, 40 years. There's also those metal panels, like I said, the life expectancy is 50 years. They might have a paint warranty of 40 to 50 years. But there is no there is no metal manufacturer on the market that I'm aware of that actually warranties the entire product for 50 years. Where those limited lifetime warranties come into play are paint peeling, paint flaking. There are some companies that offer some wind warranty protections for different fastener systems, but that's only for the metal panels themselves. So your entire roof system, like we've done some videos before on like a GAF roof, that has an entire roof system that's warranted for 30 or 50 years. That entire roof system is warranted. The metal installation of those panels, it's only the panel that's warranted, and it's generally only the paint. It protects you against peeling, cracking, chipping, fading, and chalking. Anything beyond that, even if hail hits it, it could dent it, it could ding it. There is one company that does a little bit with hail damage. It claims that there's a specific amount of hail that it can take that it'll warranty. But that's pretty much it. So really all you're getting with a metal roof for warranty is paint warranties on these products, on the panels themselves. Now, if you're getting a good installer to install it, they might extend some warranty, and that's called a workmanship warranty. So what's a workmanship warranty? That's a great question. It differs for everybody. There's different companies that offer different options. So company A may offer a 2-year warranty, company B may offer a 5-year, some are offering a 10-year, some call it a limited lifetime warranty, which is a 20 or a 25-year warranty. So it's all about the company, probably the size, how long they've been in business, what they're comfortable warranting on this particular product. So it's all about the business, the company, how long they've been in business, how they stand behind their work, and that's pretty much all you're getting. So you're getting, again, a taillight warranty, if you will. Is that company in business? Are they going to stay in business? Have they been around a long time? What's their reputation about coming back and fixing things that might be a problem? Do they have good relationships with those vendors and suppliers that they're working with to get those products? Are they buying cheap products to save money, and then that manufacturing company may not be in business anymore? So 20 years down the road when you have an issue, that particular product isn't going to be under warranty anymore because the company went out of business. Or, as we've done in a previous video, is the manufacturer the contractor that's installing the roof, and are they roll forming the metal in your driveway? If you want to know what roll forming is, check out our YouTube video on roll forming. But so there's all these different things going on out there that you as a consumer, if you're not in this industry or not in this business, you probably have absolutely no idea what the heck I'm even talking about half of this video, right? So we just want to make sure you're educated and informed and understand that there's all these different options out there. Now, there are one or two metal roof manufacturers that do a great job of offering some extended warranties, probably the best options on the market. But again, they're still not offering those full system warranties. I will say the best options that I've seen from some of those companies, they offer a 40-year transferable warranty. So unlike asphalt shingle roofs, like we've talked about in the past, where if you sell your home, the warranty is transferable to a new owner one time. The cool thing about some of these metal warranty companies is they give a 40-year warranty on their product, the paint and those chips and flaking, and those are actually transferable for that 40 years to the life of the panel. So it doesn't matter if that particular home is sold 3 or 4 times, that 40-year warranty is transferable to every buyer until that 40-year span is exhausted. So there are some cool things that are out there on the market. Those are only very specific manufacturers that offer that. There's only 1 or 2 companies that do that. It's a very comprehensive warranty, and there's a very limited amount of contractors who are actually part of that program and offer that service. So know what you're getting when it comes to a roof and a roof warranty. Ask your roofer or your contractor what they offer, so you can explore all those options. Maybe a metal roof is the right thing for you. Maybe you decide that after knowing and learning all those things, maybe it's better to go with an asphalt shingle roof because it has a better system warranty. Maybe you like that option better than going with a metal warranty. Again, so just to recap, you're probably getting painting, chipping, flaking, and chalking covered when it comes to a metal roof, and you're getting a workmanship warranty by the company, and it's only as good as long as they're in business. So that differs from an asphalt shingle roof where you might get a manufacturer-backed 30 or 50-year warranty versus only getting some paint warranties from them. So hope you learned a little bit, probably more than you ever wanted to know about metal roofing today. But there's a little snippet on what all metal roof warranties are, what they cover, what they don't cover, so you can make the best educated decision for you, the consumer. I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting, and we'll see you